Hi, I'm Walter Hamilton, a financial writer at the LA Times, here with a look at what's going on in the securities markets. Is the U.S. economy a lot weaker than we had feared that it was? That was the big question on the minds of investors Friday, as investors digested a very disappointing unemployment report. Investors had been expecting the U.S. economy to have added about 150,000 jobs last month, and in fact, it added fewer than half that number. That's really negligible in this economy with the unemployment rate as high as it's been for the last few years. Ideally, we want to see 300,000 or more jobs being created every month. In the last few months, we have not seen that. The stock market, after having a fantastic end of the year in 2011 and a great first quarter, has been on a downward slide for much of the second quarter. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has given back all of its first quarter gain. The NASDAQ has already reached a correction, which is a decline of 10% or more. The S&P 500 stock index is right at that 10% mark, and the Dow has fallen almost 9%. So it's been a really ugly few months in the stock market. What does this mean for you and me? At some point, theoretically, stocks are actually going to become a very attractive buying opportunity. Obviously, you want to buy low, sell high. The best way to do that is when there's blood in the water. The question, of course, for regular folks is there enough blood in the water right now? Economically, in the U.S., things are looking soft. Europe is in a recession, and China, which has really been the tugboat for many years in the global economy, is still growing solidly, but its growth rate is slowing. So there could be more losses ahead. I think a lot of people on Wall Street are bracing for that. However, for those of us who do have money on the sidelines, have been waiting to maybe plow some money in, keep an eye on stock prices in the next few weeks. If they keep heading lower, you might want to start to think about tiptoeing in. Some big Wall Street investors are saying to clients, look, it might present a good buying opportunity if and when the U.S. economy does turn around. When that will be, nobody knows. We've been waiting, and we continue to wait here in the U.S. For the LA Times, I'm Walter Hamilton.